Hey everybody, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. This is my mom, she's with me. She is 76 years old and she doesn't want me to say her age, but I'm telling you her age and she'll be okay with that. But we want to do a real world example of what it feels like for someone that may actually use a mobility scooter. And what we have here today is the Transport 4AF. So it's an automatic folding mobility scooter. My mother has never ridden a mobility scooter, right? Never ridden one. Never. So this will be her first time. And I'm just gonna ask her a couple questions how she feels about it. And we'll just see how this goes. So one thing, Mom, I'll tell you is this is an automatic folding scooter.
Wow, that's nice.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
And how tall are you?
5'7".
She's 5'7". We won't say her weight, but I know she's under the weight capacity. Weight capacity of this is 250. So when you sit in this, you just pull the seat back up and sit down. It's like spring loaded. So when you have your back against this, then it's not going to come down. So you want to take a seat on there?
Okay.
I'm going to turn this the auto folding feature off, and we're going to put the key in the ignition and we'll turn this on. So in order to accelerate, oops.
And that's
so
a brake?
We'll turn the speed down really low. Okay. I'm just gonna let me do this real quick. I want to back this up. Okay.
Okay. Red is back.
Well,
I mean, black is back.
So it's an ambidextrous tiller. So I'll show you. So you can accelerate forward, and you can go in reverse with one hand. And
okay.
if you want to go forward on the other side, you go forward, and then you go backwards. And you'll notice when you let off of the throttle,
stops.
The brakes engage. It's electromagnetic brakes. So
and has a horn.
Has a horn. Now, does that feel comfortable for you? Like, yes. As far as like, it doesn't feel too small or too short?
No, it feels good.
Okay. We can adjust this too, if you want to adjust like the height of this, but that height feels fine to you?
It feels good.
All right, so take it for a little spin, Mom.
Okay.
Try not to get hit by any cars.
I'll work on that.
And that knob on the front, that was a speed control. You can adjust it up if you feel like it's too slow.
Okay. It's very easy to drive.
Very easy?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to speed it up a little bit.
Yeah, speed it up.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Could you see yourself using this?
Yes, I can.
Do you want to
turn around?
Well, what I want to do is let's go back to the car, and I want to see if you're able to lift this into the trunk of the car, and you can tell me if that feels comfortable for you to lift. Now it weighs about 52 pounds.
Yes, it's very easy to drive.
So first time riding a mobility scooter, so you can envision yourself maybe getting one day?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So we're right next to the car. Yep, you probably want to get as close as you can. We'll fold it.
You mean up?
Yep, maybe, yep, good job. Go in reverse. All right, perfect.
Wow.
Okay.
It's very easy to maneuver. Okay.
Now I'll show you, in order to fold it, you have to take the key, you have to turn it off. You can take the key out. There's a switch down here. And you switch it like that. All you have to do is tap it. So I believe it's this button. So you want to tap that just one time and just allow it to fold on its own.
That's a really nice feature.
Nice scooter, huh?
Yeah, it's a nice feature that it folds so that you don't have to. Right, okay, should I turn the thing off?
Well, we can turn it off here. I'll show you a couple other things so you can set it up like this. So if you wanted to store it, you can kind of wheel it like behind your, in your closet or wherever you need to in your room. But when you fold it automatically, it's going to fold flat like that. So in order to pick it up, you pick it up from here and here. Mm-hmm. Don't hurt yourself, but see if you can lift it in the back of your car. Probably want to, oh, okay.
No?
That was good. You feel like you could do that?
I think so.
Probably should use your knees more. I'm guilty of that too. I use my back as well.
Well, that's very nice.
Very nice. All right. So you approve?
I do.
Okay.
I definitely
so you'll
consider that.
You consider that. All right. So that's a real world review, everyone. Someone that actually would use the scooter. I know we get asked that a lot. And this is my mom.
Bye.
Thanks, Mom.